Welcome guys. In today's video we'll be looking into some hip hop mixing. So we usually have a very different view of mixing hip hop music. So we have something called intros and outros in our songs. So we use BPM Supreme website where we get these hip hop songs for high quality MP3 files, 320 kbps MP3 files, which have their own intro edits, which they give it for free. I mean, you'll have to buy the subscription if you want to access those files, but yes, you will get these intros and outros of a song. So as you can see, the name on top about it says "Oh Me Intro Clean." That means you also get songs which are, if there is any curse words or any swear words, it will be bleeped or it will be muted. So you don't have to worry if you're playing somewhere live or a family event or anything, something like that. You don't have to worry about swear words coming in between. So in the right side you also have another song called TikTok by 69. It has intro and it says dirty, as in it's an explicit song, so there will be curse words in it. Now again, these are full 2 songs. As you can see, the timing on top, you can see over there it says -4 minutes left, and over here it says -2 minutes, 2.4 minutes, 4 seconds left. So now we'll just look how we mix this. So this is not like a pre-prepared set, we are just going with the flow. So this is the first song, let's go. And ignore the background noise, which is so loud today for some reason.
All that you told me, I believed.
So as we heard, we had first 8 bars of intro beats.
And now you back inside my life. It's gonna take more than that to set it right though. Cause you so out of line forever. Letting them taste what's mine. Taste what's mine. Taste what's mine. You so out of, feel like you owe me checks, owe me time, owe me sex, long nights, no reply. I got no regrets, you disrespect. Only time I see you now's on the internet. Just to see if it's somebody else that you.
So we'll wait for the chorus to come in.
When I decide to, you got my tattoo, we was tribal. Then you left and we turned rivals. Now you back, it's our revival. They don't make you feel like I do. They didn't make you perform for me. You was my American Idol. How you rock the mic, man? We went from long text, now they shorter than a haiku. Seems like all you got is hate for me. All you ever did was take from me. Cause you know you got that walk from me. How you dress and how you talk from me, yeah. Let's not ever disrespect what I meant to you. It took us being over to see all I did for you. Damn. All that shit you told me, I believe. The smile on your face, the only thing I can't read. Left and now you back inside my life. It's gonna take more than that to set it right though. Cause you so out of line forever. Letting them taste what's mine. Taste what's mine. Taste what's mine. You so out of line. You so out of line forever. Letting them taste what's mine. Taste what's mine. Taste what's mine. You so out of line.
Okay, tick-tock out of my wrist. Watch, I keep a stick. I keep a beat.
So we had to wait for the right point where I could put up the loop, and I had to start this. And also the beat grids are not aligned properly, so there was a little bit of issue with the beat matching. I had to use ears and do it.
How you think I'm dumb? I ain't no kid. Thought you was in love. You ain't my bitch. Nah, she on my drip. Drop. She never went both ways, but I made them lip lock. Never had a condo for days. She was at the tip top. Might as well throw away the key, I got the streets locked. I've been drinking all this lean, I know I need to stop. Hopping out of stolen cars and we shoot chops at ops. 2 fitted out Rolexes, they don't tick or top. Let me catch your little shorty, she can pick the part. Everything up to part. I got them big rocks in my ear nuggets. I got
We can use a loop on top to layer it.
If I'm with your bitch, she buying everything I wanted. She fly me out to Waikiki.
And we'll exit now.
Bikini. Take her money, go Houdini. I call her when I want eating. On my feet, you see them CCs. Making ears, you see them BBs. On my jeans, you see them GGs. Treat that bitch like she a Fifi. You know how the pagan chit-chat goes. I like R's and V's and O's. I don't really play no tic-tac-toe. Been with chubs through highs and lows. We seen man last night.
And then we'll use another song, which now this is a little different song. The next song which I've loaded, as you can see the title, it says no drama, quick hit, clean. What this means is, usually if a song is for 4 minutes or let's say 5 minutes of hip hop song, usually they have shortened it for us. We get these edits on BPM Supreme. You can get it shortened, and it's like for 4 minute songs. Right now this song is only 2 minutes 55 seconds, so it'll only have the parts which are more relatable to the audience, where usually people listen more to that that section of the song, and usually that is the section where people most remember. So that is what is called as quick hit clean. So we have that song loaded up and ready, but again if you see the tempo, it says 142 because the system has analyzed it in a wrong. So I'm just going to click sync on and off. So it says 142 itself, which is 142 divided by 2 is 71. So we'll be using the same thing, and I'll tell you later on what all we did.
Chat goes. I like R's and V's and O's. I don't really play no tic-tac-toe. Been with rocks through highs and lows. We seen man last night, they froze. Was no cameras, was no pose. Just like that one time at Nobu. Good thing man weren't pulling out phones. Think you know me, that's not true. We got ties in West End too. She came over and she got slew. Throwing up 6 like man had flu. I got way too big off views. Back to the basics, I won't lose. They wanna link when they got no tunes. They too worried about selling out shoes. I don't give a about jeans or crap or going to Milan or going to the Met. I just wanna make these songs for the set. I just wanna load that and let that wet. I got so much things in the stash. Fold up anyone done that clash. Got no sense like Jizzle. Big and bad like Lita and can't do love cause they get too attached. Phone get broke and whip get scratched. I'ma just take my knots and cash. They can never tie me down, that's facts. All that bark but we know he's a cat. I don't really like going tit for tat. I'ma just come like tat tat tat. I'ma just end that there, that's that.
From the hospital, I'm a cola. She no drama, she no drama. In the winter or the summer, she no drama, she no drama. She don't like no fake, she keep.
And then we are done. So each song will be a little different. There is no set point like you'll have to there's that no set point like where you have to start for sure. Like at least in EDM we'll have the sections where we have drops and intros and outros, breaks, build up, which is very easy to identify. But in hip hop music it's more about identifying the verse, choruses, bridge, hook section of the song, melodic hook, melodic bridge section of the song, and starting from there. If you want to learn how to do all of these and understanding these, again all of this also comes under hip hop, also comes under phrase mixing. You just have to understand what is a phrase and how to use that to your advantage. So if you want to learn all of these skills, you can join our online classes from anywhere, from any part of the world. And if you are in Hyderabad, you can always come down to our studio and join our offline classes as well. So I hope this tutorial or this video made some sense to you, how we download songs and how we mix hip-hop music. And I've given our source. Very important thing as a DJ, we don't really give out our audio sources from where we download our tracks or the websites. So yes, for hip hop this is a very good website, BPM Supreme. Most of the time you'll get your latest songs as well over there, with intros and sometimes not with intros. If it's a very latest song, you might not really find the intro section of the song, and it is actually not that costly or not that expensive for subscription. Like if I'm not wrong, it's around $9. You'll get a basic subscription, and for $20 you get the high-end subscription, where you can also get a curated playlist or curated cart or something. It's just, I don't remember exactly what, but I use the BPM Supreme website to download our hip-hop songs. Hope it made sense. Hope to see you all soon. Have a great day ahead. Thank you. Take care.